Hello everyone, welcome to the front of our middle school, and we're directly below the Library and Media Center and what we call the Tower of Ivory, Mr. Loya.
That's right.
Which is one of the titles.
Tower of Ivory.
Yeah, so one of her titles,
That's
and you can see there how tall it is. Now the base and the foundation of our school is Jesus Christ and love for his mother Mary. And we remember that Our Lady appeared in North America, in Mexico, which is part of North America, in 1531, Mr. Loya.
15th, that's right.
And
Our Lady of Guadalupe appeared in
Yes.
Juan Diego, and she is the patroness of
the Americas. And
Yeah.
so we are going to put a tile mosaic behind me in this niche, and we'll go stand in there a little bit later, but it's made in Portugal of individual tiles, and that will be installed on November 21st during our open house. Now, in order to fund this, we've divided into 77 tiles, each of which can be purchased and memorialized for $250. So if you wanted to donate a couple for your children, all the names will be recorded, who they're in honor of, maybe deceased grandparents, or however you wanted to memorialize them, and that will be displayed in another area. But we look forward to this going up on the 21st, and wanted to offer this opportunity for all of our families, grandparents, alumni, to be a part of this great display of our faith and sort of the new evangelization.
Yeah, for us, it's a wonderful opportunity. We have this beautiful beach here in the Mary Tower of Ivory Tower, and it's a place right now. We're in the midst of the carpool. All of our cars coming in, you can see Our Lady of Guadalupe here, and all of our children will be able to see that if they're out here on the plaza or the play area.
Yeah.
So we think it's just a wonderful place to have Our Lady, again, patroness of the Americas, here.
Yeah.
Support would be really appreciated.
And they'll see Our Lady on the going in and coming out, a great place to pray right off of our middle school plaza as well. So thank you so much for considering that. Again, for more information, just take a look at the link that's below.
How about we take a look at this, Father?
Okay. Just so you can see the proportion, let's go ahead and stand in here,
Very good.
Mr. Loya. It's very large,
You can actually
and it's
two
a couple feet deep, so it should be protected from the elements.
Yeah, that's right.
And it's already got a frame
right,
there,
Right here, right?
right here.
Yes.
Okay, bye.